Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Bulobri broker. You enter the Forex broker section, select the Bulobri Markets broker, and then click on Go to Website. When you enter the website, click on Register, and in the registration section, enter your email address, mobile phone number, and a password that must be up to 25 characters long, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the information, click on Register. In the second step of registration, you select your country of residence. And if your country of residence matches your nationality, you check this box. Then click on Continue. In step 3 of registration, you enter your first name, last name, date of birth, full address and postal code. Then accept the website's terms by checking the box and click on Continue. In the next section, you select your account type, which we choose as Real. Then you choose whether to have a standard account or another type, and we select Standard and click on Next. Then you select your platform along with the currency you will work with and the leverage. After entering the information, you click on Next. Then you enter your account dashboard. However, to work with the Bulobri website, you must upload documents such as an ID card, passport, etc. Good luck.